How to see if someone blocked you on Instagram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see if someone blocked you on Instagram. To start the process, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Now tap on the search icon. I'm searching for my other Instagram account. Tap on that account. Here, tap on the three dots. Now tap on Block to continue. Then tap on Block. As you can see, our profile has been blocked. Now go back to your profile. To show you, I'm going to open my other Instagram account. I'm searching for my blocked account. As you can see, I can't find my other account. To show you, I'm going to my DMs. I'm going to check out the profile of that account. As you can see, I'm unable to see their profile post and other features. Then go back and you'll see that I'm unable to view their username. This is how you can see who blocked you on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.